Hi everyone, I am Chef Kai. Today I'm going to show how to make Naruto. Okay, this is cucumber wrap. So now we need to put some fish right here. We got some tuna. We got salmon. We got yellowtail. Make sure you put a really neat. It's easier to wrap. This is red snapper. This is white tuna. And we got avocado. Just put avocado in the middle. Now we get it all up and roll together. Just be careful, roll tight a little bit. Roll together. Hold it tight on the both sides. Okay, press a little bit to the both sides. Okay, cut two sides a little bit off. We don't need this one. Okay, now we cut it in 6 pieces. Cut in the middle first. Okay, cut it into 3 pieces. Be careful, just be careful.
Yep.
Okay, now we need to do some decoration. Really easy decoration. Get one piece. Make all the Naruto like a circle. Okay, now we put in the cucumber skin right here. Okay, Put tight a little bit. Okay, now we got cucumber. Okay, just cut it in half. Okay, we have the seeds, cucumber seeds. Okay, put it in the middle. Put in the middle. Here we got ponzu sauce. Okay, put all ponzu sauce in. Okay, this is beautiful Naruto.